Dito po ako. Thank you. Good to be back. Last ko na nga po ito. Ito? Ay, sa stations na.
Ayan, so how are you feeling tonight? We're super excited! Actually, galing pa kami sa busy run kanina umaga. Sobrang excited na namin for this night. And lalo na makikita namin iba namin co-artists. So, sana mangyayari na lahat tonight. And if you can describe OPM, you can answer more than one since you can do it one by one or just together as a group. Pero if you can describe OPM in one word, what would it be and why?
I think I would answer OPM is evolving because I think that we're not stagnant right now. We're exploring different types of genres and styles and how we sing. And it's amazing to see how OPM has been evolving throughout the years and I'm looking forward to future songs that we release.
Ayan. So, sa inyong experience, kasi we are already on our 10th year sa Wish. Anong experience nyo sa Wish na hindi nyo makakalimutan?
Siguro, first, nag-start tayo ng Wish Bus. Parang bilang pa lang natin. Oo, yung tapos yung last, my God. Nung last Wish Bus namin, doon namin nakita yung growth ng group. So, ang saya na parang makita namin yung growth nila kasama yung Wish Bus.
Basta masaya sa Wish Boss. Ayun, if you have a message to all your fans and also all of your
Everyone who supported us, all the other artists, and we hope now we all listen to OPM and make it growing.
We're so happy to meet you at yes, because namin look forward nyo na makita tonight or any performance na makanood.
Gusto ko na makapanood ng perform. Lahat sila gusto ko na yung makita. May mga friends din kasi kami from other bands, other artists. So, let's go! Let's see!
And we're also happy to meet all of you and sana mag-enjoy kayo sa ating Wish Music Awards. Have a good night and enjoy it. Thank you so much. Namin look forward nyo na makita tonight or any performance na makanood.
Gusto ko na makapanood ng perform. Lahat sila gusto ko na yung makita. May mga friends din kasi kami from other bands, other artists. So, let's go! Let's see!
And we're also happy to meet all of you and sana mag-enjoy kayo sa ating Wish Music Awards. Have a good night and enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Today na patuloy na celebrate kayo. Kami namin ang inyong fans. Ano lang, generic na naman. Anong feeling nyo? Anong feeling nyo pagka-celebrate sa inyo, pagkami ng fans nyo, being recognized for the hard work that you're doing namin, mga girls, tumakbo kanina.
Siyempre po, we are always grateful, especially to our students na hanggang ngayon po rin po. Lumago at sumama at all hanggang ngayon kasama namin. So we're so thankful and as much as possible we try our best to give back to them through our music, through our personalities, and through here sa mga events na ganito. So yeah, thank you Bloom. So let's stick together until the end.
So pagka ganito mga nag-rally kayo, kamusta naman ang ano? So hindi kung po ng energy.
Actually, hindi rin po namin alam kasi kanina umaga nag-premiere.
No.
And then ngayon may Wish Music Awards and then after this dance, ulit po kami for a brand shoot. So hindi rin po namin alam paano namin nagagawa. Pero siguro dahil bagong taon, so parang excited talaga kami mag-work.
Thank you very much. Question lang, ano paghahanda ng Vino para sa 10th Wish Music Awards? Ano pa ang aabangan ng fans?
Ulit na lang kasi
For us, I think yung pinagnagaan po namin is no matter what happens sa Wish Awards, we're very grateful to just be here and be nominated to the awards, and we'll always be happy for the artist who wins the awards. And we are very excited for this year because we're releasing a new song, and we wish that every Wish Bus performance earned you one wish. What would you wish for right now?
Yung bus na ano, kapit tayo.
Na lahat nasa unahan. Ulitin nyo, go.
Yung wish bus daw na kasya sa kami lahat. Kasi lagi tayo nag-artistic.
Sikat.
Kasi lagi yung first time.
May nakatayo bus. Lagi nasa harap.
Okay, and 3, 2, 1.
Rappers Billboard Philippines handpicked straight from the bucket. Don't forget to click the follow button.
And cut.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Wish 1075, for this Pop Song of the Year award. Ito po yung una naming award this year and that makes it even more special. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda ng simula po ng taon natin. Siyempre gusto ko namin magpasalamat sa management po namin ABS-CBN, to our team, Team Beanie, and to our music label, Star Music, Star Magic, and to our Blooms! Thank you so much!
Yes, thank you so much for the love and support. Beanie is not Beanie kung di dahil sa never-ending support nyo, guys. And of course, thank you so much Wish Music Awards for this amazing award. We're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Wish Pop Song of the Year. And thank you so much to our amazing composers of our beautiful song, Pantropico.